When teams of programmers work together, commenting like this is immensely important to ensure that every member knows what everything does. So that means commenting is also important when several people they work together. So to understand what everyone else is doing, if we pass that code to our different colleague, so he will understand that what comment uh, from comment that what this particular code is about. The two comments that are already here describe what the functions do. The first one says use this for initialization. So in our first program we had a comment that use this for initialization in first line. So void start will run whenever the script is first introduced into scene. So in void start we will introduce script. The second comment says update is called once per frame. So void update runs repeatedly at very fast speed as game refreshes. In this case we need to work with the rigid body 2D script that is attached to our player game object, and to do that we need to add following code. So we are here adding rigid body 2D script. Public class controls mono behavior. Public rigid body 2D RB. Void start RB is equal to get component rigid body 2D. What is happening here is that we are creating a reference called rigid body 2D and calling it RB, short for rigid body. Don't worry if this is a little bit confusing. You can just copy and paste the code for now and it will make more sense later on. Finally, we are going to add the following line of code to our update function. Void update rb.velocity is equal to new vector 2 1 comma rb.velocity.y. So we are adding this new code. Make sure to remember to save your work. Now all that is left to do is to head back to Unity and add the player script to the player character. So we are adding player script to the player character. We do this just the same as we added rigid body 2D. Select the player game object, click add component and then scripts player. Now click play and you should find that query moves continually to right and then falls down to steps to his ultimate doom. So that means after adding these scripts, now we can see the player is working according to it. Only once you have attached the script to your game object it have any effect, and you could just easily have added this to ground tile for the same effect.